Lexus has updated its IS range late in 2020 and included a 300 luxury model, which we drove. Let's have a look at it. With the increasing demand for SUVs in Australia, cars like the Lexus IS are often overlooked, which is a shame because it's a pretty good car. The latest model update brought with it a host of additional standard features such as electric park brake, 10.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and improved safety features as well. The car we drove had a $5,500 option pack called Enhancement Pack 2, which includes leather ventilated seats, power rear sunshade, 19-inch alloy wheels and a moonroof, amongst other inclusions. It drives a Euro 6 2-litre turbo 4-cylinder engine driving through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Produces about 180 kilowatts and 350 newton meters. It's quiet, it's nice, it's reasonably responsive, but I'd probably opt for the hybrid version. The Lexus IS 300 Luxury is around about $67,000, including the enhancement pack, plus the usual costs. It's reliable, it's comfortable, and it's actually not a bad car. Unfortunately, it's in a shrinking market segment. This is the Motoring Minute. I'm Rob Fraser. Thanks for watching our video today. If you want to have a look at a couple of the older ones, go here and here. Go below for the full review and our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe us. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.